car. This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video, another review. In this time we have this vacuum cleaner. You can see car mounted vacuum cleaner. I have unboxing of this one. Now I'm going to show you detail of this product a little bit more. This is very high quality vacuum cleaner with a strong power. Some of the characteristic is written here: 44 watt output, input 5 volt 2, and the Chinese product model number 901 is very powerful. So here is the button of the power. I push and listen you can listen the noise. Is very strong machine in this case. So first we'll go to the tool. It comes with a big pipe. So the places you can't arrive, you can't reach in your house, in your car, so you can use this one. You have more tool. Have this head. You have this head. They serve different purpose. You can join them together, make more longer space. You have more tool. This one here. So I think it should go here as this. You connect. Okay, because for example this one, let's see here, this one we put here. Here we go. You see you have a brush, so if you put like this, clean on this with a brush. More this tool, you can see here, for example this should go here inside. Lovely. You can use to clean this one as this. And they send me a charging cable, not chargers, but important part of this charging cable. This is Teapot, so you can charge with any charger of your Samsung phone or iPhone up to date. Very easy guys, very lovely. So here you see the port, so you don't need to use this one. You can charge directly with your charger of iPhone and Samsung directly. Very lovely. You can see how it is here. Lovely. So let's go a little bit to the machine. Here you have a button. Here you have the power button. That you have another button. You push this one, can release this, and can take out this one from here. I have some paper inside, so I'll throw them to show you the power. This one at its place, exactly where it is, where it should be. And I close this one. So press the push button. Lovely. Let's use this one. I'm using one head as this. I start. All is red guys. They are inside. Very powerful machine. Here you have some exhauster. When you put, you will feel some air comes out. And here we have manual. In this case, if you want to read more about this product, specification, car mounted vacuum cleaner, different languages, you can read this manual as you want. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.